Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. Today I have some repeat purchases, some new purchases, some fun finds, and of course makeup. So I am going to share those, and you may hear sizzling in the pan because I am cooking while filming this. But a repurchase is these Good and Clean disinfectant wipes. I do enjoy the lemon scent. This is in a bonus buy, and it has 30 in here today instead of 25. You can get these in lavender and fresh scent always, but I do really like the lemon scent. The Scrub Buddies disposable gloves, you get 100 in here for $1.25. I've been purchasing these a couple times now, and I just don't like to touch raw meat, so what I use these for is when I'm having to handle raw meat. And then I have not purchased this in the past, but I needed a window cleaner. So I'm going to be trying out the LA's Totally Awesome Window Clean, and this is their streak-free vinegar formula. It's got a spray nozzle on there, a couple different settings like always, spray and stream. And this also is in a value size, 32 fluid ounces. So we're going to see. We're going to find out. I found a wish list item today as well. And this is the Star Wars Mandalorian 3-pack magnetic bag clips. These are incredibly cute. They have Baby Yoda on them. And they say protect, attack, and snack. Super cute. Picked up Connor a few items. They had these really cute flossers today. They had these in a variety of different styles. I chose the alligators, and these are the kids flossers. They're berry flavored, which I did not notice that in the store, but 60 flossers for $1.25. You can't beat that. And they are super cute. They had a ton of different kid-friendly flossers. And he needed a new water bottle for school, and we found this one in the $5 aisle. Pops up, has a silicone straw, has a lid, has a handle. It's metal, not plastic, and it has a silicone bottom. So pretty nice for $5. And he likes this Jujutsu Kaisen anime and all kinds of other different animes. And we saw these blind bags and their mystery hangers. And this was $3. So picked him up one of those. And a Hot Wheels 100-piece puzzle for $1.25. And we really like this design. It has like a monster in the back there, throwing cars. These in a variety of different styles, but he does like doing puzzles from time to time, so I'm going to pick that up. Of course, I had to take a look in the beauty and makeup aisles. Today I found a new skincare item from Nouvelle. I guess that's how you say that. And it's the Morning Refresh Facial Cleanser, oil-free. And it has ginseng and vitamin C, 8 fluid ounces. And this is just like, looks to be just like the Clean and Clear one. It smells a little similar, except the scent is lighter. And I've used the Clean and Clear ones for years and love them. The ones that are like very loud in scent. So I had to give this one a try. I am very curious. And if you watch my last Dollar Tree, I'm wearing the Simple Colors nail polish that I hauled in that video. I'll insert a picture. Anyways, fantastic find. Today I actually went to the Dollar Tree looking for the Color Vibe, the brand new nail polish display, because I really want those pastel polishes, but they didn't have it out in my store. So yeah, just my luck. I did get a beauty repurchase. And I only got like 3 beauty items because my store was picked over and they didn't have anything new, except like one item basically. But I did pick up another one of these Ioni liquid blushes, and I got this one in Rosette. And this is unlike any of the other liquid blushes that I own. So I thought I would step out of my comfort zone and get a more red, warmer leaning toned blush. And I think this is going to be like a sheared out red almost. But I am excited to try this. Nonetheless, I really love the other one. Performed phenomenal. You'll have to watch last week's, I'm not sure when this is going to come out, but it's the last DollarTree haul that I did and makeup try on. And then I was so excited to finally find a powder at DollarTree that will work for my skin tone, and it happens to be from LA Colors. Now, I have used this in the past, but it is very hard to find ivory or fair tones in my DollarTrees. So usually they just have the darker tones left. But this is just a pressed powder from LA Colors, cruelty free. And I got the shade Ivory. But it's the lightest one they had. And yeah. So now I have concealers, setting powders, and a face powder that has actually got pigment to it to go along with my full face videos. Yeah! And then this is new to me, and I believe I've seen some haul this, but it's the Be Pure Swirl Lip Gloss, and I got this because it's in the scent Watermelon, and it's just 2 shades of pink swirled. So you got a creamy pink here and then a brighter pink here, and the brighter pink actually has some like gold like pinky iridescent shimmers running throughout it. Oh yeah, I think you can kind of see it there. But really pretty. They also had this in a darker shade. I'm not the biggest fan of berry scents, so I didn't pick that one up, but watermelon. And I've had really good luck with these lip glosses not being sticky. If they were sticky or thick, I would not want them. I would not repurchase them. But the Be Pure ones have been pretty good that I've tried. So I'm excited to try this watermelon one. And that's the last item I picked up at the DollarTree. I hope you enjoyed the DollarTree haul. Stay tuned for more DollarTree videos. If you have any other comments, questions, you know, or want reviews on any of these items, then let me know in the comment section below. I would happily do that. Stay tuned for another full face of DollarTree makeup coming soon, trying out these new products mixed in. And I'm going to link some others in the description box as well as the cards, so definitely check that out. Stay tuned for more videos like these, and I thank you so very much for watching.